We just rebuilt this bed here, and I'm really happy with it, so I want to show you how to make this into this. First thing we want to do is get the soil away from the existing boards that we have to take out. First, get a shovel, then get 2 Labradors.
So that board looks pretty sturdy. Do we really need to remove it?
Oh, wait till I show you the board. This is my soaker hose DIY irrigation system here. Of course, there's a video about that I'll link to below, but this is really great for the raised beds. I just want to make sure I don't put a shovel through it. That would be bad if I broke my irrigation system. Right, Spiker? Can I have a kiss? Please? Oh, there we go.
Wow.
The tail never stops moving. This is the bonus of shoveling.
What is it? Eureka.
It's dandelion.
Oh, you love that.
Salad for tonight.
Yum.
Of course, we have a video about that.
Of course.
I'll link to it below. Ah!
What?
I just gotta...
Ooh. Ooh, ouch.
Maybe I should wear gloves.
Maybe. You want some gloves? Do we have to go to the hospital?
Ow, that hurt.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna use my brain. I'm gonna do what the boss said.
And your gloves.
So why new beds, right? Well, this is why.
Oh.
I'd like to point out that my found object shelf brackets have lasted a decade and the wood hasn't. But see, this won't. And these are drywall screws. That's pretty good.
It is. Easy peasy.
Might be time. Instead of brackets, 4x4s, put them on the end of these. So on the long side, this is the 12-foot side, you want to line these up so they are flush with the end, okay? Learn from me. There's a reason why we're doing this, okay? So I always slightly tighten down the clamp, and then I just line this up, and then tighten that puppy down. Everyone, including me, loves a cordless impact driver. This is one of my favorite tools. I list all the tools I use in the video description below. But hear me out. Sometimes a corded hammer drill is an amazing tool. It's an amazing tool in and of itself. I mean, this does a lot of neat stuff. This does it better. Watch, and then you'll see. You'll have the light bulb moment that I had. First, cordless impact drill. I love my hammer drill, okay? Boom. I'm gonna use an outdoor premium screw for this. You can use drywall screws. Your friends are gonna roll their eyes. These actually last quite a long time. These will last longer. They go in a little easier. Take your 8-foot board, lay it across somewhere on crates or pieces of wood. We're gonna cut it in half, 4 foot, 2 pieces. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen, but you get the idea. So, where am I? There I am. So I made a mistake. Look at this, I preset the screws, and they're not gonna drill into the 4x4. They're gonna go into the crack between them or into the... So you want the screw to drive into here, not there. Learn from me. All right, reset this in the right position. Hey, what's up, huh? How are my helpers? How are my helpers? Look at those tails. Oh, we got a toy. Oh, is this a toy? Oh, is it playtime? I have work to do. I have work to do. This board is warped here, so I'm gonna line this up and screw it, and then we'll fix it over there. Little crooked, kind of crooked two ways, so I might have to get two clamps. I think I can do it. I mean, it's a raised garden bed. It's not like a horticultural garden. It's vegetables, so we'll fix it. You want to share your rope? Yeah, yeah. What is that? What is that? So I'm gonna line up the bottom and clamp it. And then I'm gonna set the bottom screw, which might be hard because I'm hitting the clamp here. So that'll be a pivot now, and I can lever this that way. Hey, do you own a pipe wrench? Garage sale. Next time you see a garage sale, buy big, small, and medium pipe wrench. You're not gonna use it every day, but there's that one day, and you're like, I wish I had a pipe wrench. Ooh, it won't quite do it. Let's see here. Ooh, look at that. Look, I got it. I got it lined up. Raised beds, at least in my experience, in the center, bow out. That's my mime sign for bowing out. They kind of blow out in the center because I think it's just the weight of the soil and you sitting on the edge, and over time they kind of go wonk. So I have a solution here. Dig a trench in the middle and then fashion yourself an anti-bowing device. Is it in the camera? I can't see. I'm running camera myself, as you can tell. Camera operator is off doing things she enjoys instead of hanging out with me. Measure from the inside to the inside. Learn from me. I've cut this piece of wood twice now, okay? So let's hope it fits. Hello? How are you, huh? Who is the happiest girl? Before you start gardening, get yourself a soil test, okay? Learn from me. I just made 2 videos about soil tests in my garden. Real eye-opening. I was like, wow, I thought I knew what I was doing. And I learned some things. So I hope you learned something here. Oh, hi, Andy. If you want to spend some more time with me and Andy, there should be a video floating here or there somewhere. Smooth out your soil, get your soil tests, kiss your dogs. I'll see you in the next video.